Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Huawei Nova Y61. To do this, we'll need to open a settings, locate the accessibility features at the bottom of the page, enter shortcuts and gestures, and here we can see them all. First one is AI voice, and if you enable it, you'll be able to hold down the power button for 1 second to wake the AI voice. Hold it for 3 seconds to power off the device. So let's try it. And here we just woken up our AI voice. Go back. Next one is Ultra Snapshot, and here if you press on that setting, you'll be able to pick which of the options it will perform. So we can take the snapshot or open a camera by double pressing the volume down button. So let's try to open a camera, but I think it only works on a lock screen, so let's lock this device and double press the volume down again. Here we have the camera. So other option is to take the snapshot, and that means you will take the picture without even opening the camera. So let's change it to the snapshot and lock the device, double press volume down, and it just makes the picture of a carpet underneath. So next option is to take the screenshot. And here we can use our knuckle to take the screenshot. We can knock and draw enclosed area or circle to take the partial screenshot. So you can crop how much of the screen you want to take the screenshot of. Next one is a scroll shot. So if you draw S with your knuckle, it will make the full page screenshot. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and that's a screenshot of the entire page. You can also enable or disable the knuckles as well as the 3-finger screenshot. Record the screen, so if you double knock on your screen, it should begin the screen recording. Screen recording, agree, and got it, it begins. Now to disable it or stop it, do the same motion. Now it's removed. Go back and wake screen. So if you enable it and lock your device, pick it up in a full grip, it will wake up your screen. That's very simple. Last is mute ringtone or reduce volume. So if you enable both of the settings, you can flip your phone like this, then it will be set to mute. It will answer it will receive calls, but they'll be muted. Now if you raise it up, it will be unmuted. And that's basically all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.